Welcome to our phonics class. My name is Teacher Louise.
And my name is Teacher Nook.
This is period 1. And in this period, we will be learning the sound of this letter. And what letter is it? S. Okay, so this is letter S. And the sound of letter S is S. 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 And the action for this one is S. 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 So you will form or you will write the letter S in the air. Okay, so it's like right if you were like this, so it goes like this. S. 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 Okay, at the same time, you make the sound of the letter S. Okay, so before we start learning our song and our lesson, we will do an attention grabber. Okay, but Teacher Nook will explain something about our attention grabber today.
เด็กๆ คะก่อนที่เราจะเรียนทุกเสียงนะคะเวลาเราเปลี่ยนกิจกรรมเนี่ยที่เชอร์จะมีเทคนิคในการทำให้เด็กๆเงียบนะคะโดยที่เราจะมีการออกเสียงเช่นเสียงแรกเนี่ยที่เชอร์จะบอก sh เด็กๆจะต้องออกเสียง sh แบบนี้นะคะเป็นการวอร์มอัพเด็กๆเป็นการเตรียมความพร้อมเด็กๆก่อนที่จะเริ่มกิจกรรมต่อไปนะคะเสียง sh เนี่ยเดี๋ยวเราจะเรียนในคาบต่อๆไปนะคะตอนนี้เราเรียนเสียง s ก่อนนะคะแต่ว่าที่เชอร์จะมีเทคนิคการออกเสียงแบบนี้เรียนสอนเด็กๆไปก่อนนะคะเด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะพร้อมแล้วนะคะโอเคที่เชอร์ we can start
Okay, so I guess you're ready. And are you ready? Very good. Okay, so when you hear Teacher Louise will say SH, you will say shh, 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 and you do the action like this. Shh, 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 like keeping quiet. Okay, so let's try. Are you ready to try it? Okay, let's try. SH, shh, SH. Oh, I cannot hear you. 1, 2, 3, go. SH. Very good. Now, next one is when you hear Teacher Louise says CH, you will say cha-cha-cha and do the action like this, cha-cha-cha, okay? So CH, oh, I can only hear CH, excellent, very good, okay? So let's start from SH and we will do CH, okay? SH, SH, CH, very good, CH. Now the next one, if you hear Teacher Louise say TH, you will say that's a thumb. So you will raise your thumb and show your thumb and then that's a thumb. Okay, can we do that one? All right, so TH. Oh, I want more power. That's a thumb like that, okay? TH. TH. Very good, that's what I want. Okay, and next is ING. Okay, so when you hear teachers will say ING, you will say ing, ing, ing. Okay, ING. Oh, ING. ING. Good. Very good. Very good. Now, when you hear teachers say OU, it's like ouch, ouch. It's like something you got hurt. Ouch. It's like painful. Okay, so ouch. Okay, so ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, OU.
ouch ouch ouch
OU. Next, the last one is OW. Okay, so when you hear OW, you will say, you point your finger up, and then you will say down, down, down. Okay, next one, so OW. Oh, again, 1, 2, 3, go. OW. OW. Very good. Okay, let's start from SH to OW. SH. SH. CH. CH. TH. TH. ING. OU. OW. OW. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I believe they're ready, Teacher Nook, to learn the S sound, okay? But before that, I want you to listen to the song, okay? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And then it will go faster. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Alright, so we will learn the song. Okay? So this is our, what letter is this?
S.
Okay, what letter is this one? S. Okay, so the sound of S is S. Let's do it 3 times. Can we do it 3 times? 1, 2, 3. S. 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 Very good. Okay, so let's read. The snake. Oh, so this is a picture of a snake. Because the snake would hiss. And when it hisses, you will hear the sound S. Okay, so the snake. The snake. Oh, one more time. I want to hear you. The snake. Very good. Can we repeat that one? The snake. Very good. Is in. The grass. The snake is in the grass. Oh, so you have this sentence already. So the snake is in the grass. This is what we call the grass. Okay, repeat after teacher. Grass.
Grass.
One more time. Grass.
Grass.
Good. Okay. So you will repeat that sentence twice, 2 times, okay? So the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. And then you will do the sound and do the action, okay? Make the sound and do the action. So, s, 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 okay? Here. And then you will go back to the sentence or say the sentence, the snake is in the grass. Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Are you ready to sing?
Yes.
Good job. Let's sing. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. A little bit faster this
One more
time.
time.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Good job, everyone. Okay. So before we start learning some words about or with S sound or the S sound, I want you to look at our big book.
Oh.
So this is our big book time already. Okay, so what letter is this again? It's letter S. And the sound of letter S is S. And the action is S. Can we do it 3 times? 1, 2, 3, go. S. 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 Very good. Excellent. Okay, so now Teacher Louise will ask you, what are the other pictures that you can see here? Oh, a lot of hands, Teacher Nook.
Oh.
Okay, yes, what is it? Oh, there's a snake. There's a snake. Okay, what else? The sun. So this is a picture of a sun. Can you repeat after teacher? Sun.
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 Snake.
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 What else? Yes. Oh, there's a stick. So the boy in this picture is holding a stick. Can you repeat after teacher? Stick.
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 Okay, so this one is a stick. What else? Yes. There, oh, the grass. Okay, so the green one you can see here are grasses. Okay, let's read. Repeat after teacher. Grass. Oh, I can't hear you. I want to hear you. Grass.
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 Glass.
Very good. What else? Yes.
Dog.
Oh, there's also a dog. So this is a dog. Repeat after teacher. Dog.
Dog.
Oh, one more time. Dog.
Dog.
Excellent. Yes. There's this one? Yes, it's a dog. What else?
Spider.
Oh, where's the spider? Oh, this one is a spider. Okay, repeat after teacher. Spider.
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 Very good. So this is a spider. It has 8 legs. It will climb and crawl. Okay. So now, are
Put
you
your hands
ready
down. Sit
to
on the
listen
mat.
to a short story about a boy named
Sam.
Sam. Okay. So this is a boy, and his name is Sam. Okay. Repeat after teacher. Sam.
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 So this is Sam. One day, Sam was walking in the country, okay? And he was walking with his dog. And the dog's name is Spot. Okay, can you repeat after teacher? Spot.
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 So the boy's name is Sam. And what about the dog's name? The dog's name is Spot. So they're walking and Sam is holding a
Stick.
good job. You can remember stick.
Stick.
Okay, so it was a very sunny day. Okay? If it's sunny, it is hot. Okay, so it's sunny. So he was holding a stick and with his dog Spot, they were walking in the country. Okay, so now, while they were walking, they heard something in the grass. Now they were near the stream or the river bank. Okay? They're near, and then while they were walking, they heard a sound. And it goes like this. Oh,
What sound is it?
what do you think is that sound?
Snake.
Oh, it's the sound of a snake. Oh! So now the dog Spot got frightened. Frightened meaning scared. Oh, what is that? Okay, also Sam got frightened too. But suddenly, Spot think like, oh, I shouldn't be frightened. So he started to bark. Okay? Like that. So the dog Spot barked at the what? Snake. Okay? So when the snake heard Spot bark, oh, this time the snake got frightened.
Yes.
And so the snake slithered
Slithered
away.
away.
So Sam and Spot were able to play more in the countryside.
Okay.
Okay, so that is a story about who? Sam and
Spot.
Who is Spot? It is a so
Dog.
Spot is a dog and the boy's name is Sam. Okay, Teacher Nook, I think they're ready to learn more
Yes.
words that has the S or S sound. Okay? So this time, look at the board and we will be learning some words with the S sound. Okay. So first one, we have the sun. Okay, so let's read sun.
Sun.
Okay, so this is a picture of a sun. You can do the action like this, sun. Okay, can we do that? 1, 2, 3, go. Sun. Okay, and then we have, okay, it's a stick. You have heard this one from the story, and we said stick. Okay, let's read. Stick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Stick. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stick.
Good job. So this is a stick. Sam in the story is holding a stick. Next. Oh, let's read. Stand. Okay, so the man or the boy in this picture is standing up, or he is standing or stand. But what about you now? You are sitting down or sit. Okay, but Teacher Nook and Teacher Louise, we are standing.
Stand.
Okay, so stand. This is stand. Okay, stand up like that. Okay. All right, let's read. Stand.
Stand.
Very good. Next, oh, what is that?
Snake.
Oh, it's a snake. And what color is this snake?
Green.
Green. And what about this one? Red. Okay, so this is a green snake. Okay, so it's a snake. Next, what about that? Okay, sleep. 1, 2, 3, go. Sleep. Okay, so when you're tired, you need to sleep. Okay, so the man or the boy in this picture is sleeping already. Okay, next. Sit. As what teacher mentioned a while ago, you are sitting down, or this is sit. And this is stand. So let's read. Sit.
sit,
Good job. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go.
sit,
Very good. Okay, and then we have sit. 1, 2, 3, go. Sit. Okay, can we repeat that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Sip. Okay, so sip is just like drinking, but not really. No, that's not sip. Okay, sip.
It's a little bit.
It's just a little bit. Okay, just like sip, like that. Can I have a sip of your water? So, not. Oh, that's not sip. Okay. Next, what is that? Oh, you know this number, okay? 7. 1, 2, 3, go. 7. Okay, so this is 7. Then we have sand. Repeat after teacher. Sand. Oh, I can't hear you. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. That's better. Okay. Are there any more pictures? Okay, so I guess these are all the words that has the what sound? Okay, let's read each word just like sun, stick. Okay, are you ready to read?
yes,
Okay, I hope you're ready to read. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sun, stick, sand, snake, sit, sand, seven, sip, sleep.
Okay, so all of these words has the S sound. Oh, who's ready to match the pictures with these words here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Nampeng. Choose any picture. Choose any picture, drag it and put it inside the correct box. Okay, so up to you. Which one do you like? Okay. Where is 7? Is that correct? Yes, it is 7. So repeat after teacher. 7.
7.
Next. Nathan? Okay, choose any picture that you like. Okay, is that picture sit? Is it sit?
yes,
Yes, it is. Let's read. Sit.
Sit,
Sit.
sit.
Next. Teacher Noob, who is this lucky student, teacher?
Okay, Jerry.
Oh, Jerry. Jerry, choose the picture. Oh, Jerry got the green. Green what? Green snake. So is this a snake? Yes, it is a snake. Let's repeat after teacher. Snake.
Snake,
Snake.
snake.
Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pictures. And this time, Grace. Grace is very quiet here in front, teacher. Good, very good. Repeat after teacher. Sand.
Sand,
Oh, sand is when you go to the beach where you swim. Okay, in the sea there's a beach there, and on the beach there are sands. Okay, sand. Next.
Nene, teacher.
Nene. Oh, sleep. Who loves to sleep here? Oh, sleep. Okay, let's read. Sleep.
Sleep,
Okay, repeat after teacher. Sleep.
sleep,
Okay, so this is sleep. Next. 周辉. Oh. Okay, so this was here. And this one you want to put here? Okay. So what picture is this one? What picture is it? Sun. Very good. Let's repeat after teacher. Sun.
sun,
Sun.
sun.
And this one is? 7. Next. wait. Okay.
ภาพสองชั้น
All right, very good. Okay, so this picture shows us a stand. Okay, repeat after teacher. Stand,
stand
stand.
stand
Next. Oh, we have two more. Who may? Okay, we have. What picture is this? Stick. Okay, repeat after teacher. Stick,
stick
stick.
stick
The last one. Asi. Very nice. Good job, Asi. What picture is this? Sip. Okay, repeat after teacher. Sip.
sip
Okay, let's read. Stand.
stand
Sun.
sun
Sip.
sip
Snake.
snake
Seven.
seven
Sit.
sit
Sleep.
sleep
Stick.
stick
Sand.
sand
Okay, I
Very
want you to
good.
read the word, okay? Stand. 1, 2, 3, go.
stand sun six snake seven six sleep six sand
Very good. Okay, so Teacher Nook and Teacher Louise will be giving you cards, okay? We have the orange card and we have the, what color? Green, okay? What color is this?
orange
Orange. And this one is?
green
Green. Now, I want you to remember, this orange card means no, okay? No, or it's not, okay? No. Repeat after teacher. Orange, no.
orange no
Okay. And then we have green, yes.
green yes
Okay, so yes means yes, okay? So green is what? Yes. And orange is? No. Okay.
เด็กๆ คะ หลังจากที่เราได้การ์ดไปคนละ2ใบนะคะ orange and green no and yes orange and green no and yes นะคะทิเชอร์ลูอิสจะโชว์ภาพให้เด็กๆ ดูนะคะ เช่นภาพแรกภาพแรกเป็นภาพอะไรนะจำได้ไหมคะ เมื่อกี้เราเรียนไปแล้ว stand ใช่ไหมคะ ภาพคำว่า stand ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว s ทิเชอร์ต้องการให้เด็กๆ ฟังนะคะ คิดคำศัพท์แล้วชูการ์ด yes ถ้าคำศัพท์นั้นขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว s stand ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว s ไหมคะ ใช่ไหมคะ เราก็ชู green นะคะ green card ต่อไปคำต่อไปที่เชอร์ลุยส์โชว์คำว่านี่เลขอะไรนะ ใครจำได้อะไรนะคะ 10 ขึ้นต้นด้วยตัว s ไหมคะ ไม่ใช่นะคะ ไม่ใช่เพราะฉะนั้น orange mean no ชู orange card ขึ้นมานะคะไม่ยากนะคะ green yes ถ้าเป็นตัว s orange no ถ้าไม่ใช่ตัว s โอเคนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะลองฝึกไปพร้อมๆกันนะคะเตรียมการ์ด orange and green ขึ้นมาเลยนะคะ
Okay, so are you ready to do this activity? Yes, all right. So this
เด็กๆ คะ เดี๋ยวเราจะฝึกไปพร้อมๆ กันนะคะ เด็กๆ ตรงนี้นะคะ เดี๋ยวเราจะทำกิจกรรมไปพร้อมๆ กัน เพราะฉะนั้นเพื่อนๆ อยากจะเห็นด้วยว่าเด็กๆ เนี่ยชูการ์ด yes หรือว่า no นะคะ green หรือว่า orange เวลาเด็กๆ ชูนะคะ หันด้านนี้ไปให้เพื่อนๆ ดูด้วย หันด้านสีขาวให้ทิเชอร์นะคะทิเชอร์มองเห็นอยู่นะคะโอเคไหมคะไหนทดสอบหน่อยสิคะหันไปให้เพื่อนๆ ดูด้วยนะคะชูขึ้นมาหันไปให้เพื่อนๆ ดูเหมือนทิเชอร์นุกสมมติทิเชอร์นุกนั่งอยู่ตรงนี้ก็หันไปแบบนี้นะคะให้เพื่อนๆ ดูด้วยโอเค
yes.
Teacher we can test them
Okay, so are you ready?
yes
Okay, prepare your cards. Prepare your cards. Okay,
Two
show
hands, two
me
hands.
your orange card. Orange.
Orange card show to your friends แต่หันหน้ามาหาที่เชอร์เลย
Okay, and then show your green card. Green.
นั่ง
green
ลงหลบ
card.
ก้นติด mat sit on the mat
Okay.
green sit on the mat look at teacher
Okay, all right,
look at
put it
teacher
down now.
sit down properly
Put
okay
it down now. Don't remove it. Okay, yes. Okay. So the first picture is this one.
คำว่าอะไรนะ
learned this one already.
คิดไปพร้อมๆกันเลยนะคะ
What is this? What picture is it? Stand. So does it start with the letter S? Yes. So it should be what color? Green.
Very good.
Yes. Okay.
green นะคะ
Put your cards down.
put down
Next. This one. Does this picture start with the letter S?
No.
No, it's not. So what should be the color? The color should be orange. Okay, good.
very good
And then this one. Get ready now. Are you ready? Okay. Here.
อะไรนะคะคำศัพท์ของเรา
Snake. Very good. So it's a snake. So
green.
snake starts with a snake.
very good put the card down
Next picture. 1, 2, 3.
อะไรนะ
what is
what is
this?
it teacher
What is it? It's a triangle. Okay, repeat after teacher. Triangle.
triangle
Triangle.
triangle
Now when you hear t, is that s? Yes or no? No. So you show the what color? Orange card.
orange card
Last one, teacher.
okay last
The
one
last picture. Are you ready now? Is the last picture? Are you ready?
yes
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. What is it? Sleep. Does it start with the letter S?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this is green card. Do you have the green card? Yes, very good. Okay.
Good job. You did a good
Very
job.
good. You did a good job too. Okay.
can you
Okay,
give
can
the
you give
cards back to
back?
teacher
Cards?
no thank you เด็กๆเก็บการ์ดเลยนะคะ sit down properly S H S H
C H. Oh, C H. T H. T H. I N G. O U. O W. Listen to teacher Nuke.
กิจกรรมสุดท้ายของเราสำหรับเสียง S ในวันนี้นะคะ เป็นกิจกรรมที่เรียกว่า rainbow tracing นะคะ เดี๋ยวเราจะทำ snake เนี่ยให้เป็น rainbow เด็กๆรู้ไหมคะว่า rainbow เนี่ยมีกี่สี How many colors for the rainbow 7 colors นะคะ มี 7 สี เดี๋ยวเด็กๆจะฟัง Teacher Louis will say okay take out your red color เด็กๆก็หยิบสีแดงขึ้นมาหยิบสีแดงขึ้นมานะคะเสร็จแล้วเราจะค่อยๆลากสีนะคะเขียนตัว S ด้านในนะคะ1เส้นนะคะจากต้นไปจนถึงปลายนะคะโอเคนะคะกิจกรรมนี้เด็กๆจะได้ฝึกเขียนตัว S นะคะหลายๆครั้งพร้อมกับเรียนรู้เรื่องสีไปด้วยกัน
Okay, so teacher Louise will show you an example as to how to do this one. So I will dictate and you will listen very carefully, okay? If I say, take out your red colored pencils. So you will take it out like what teacher Nuke is doing and then trace the letter S with your red colored pencil. Okay.
แบบนี้นะคะ เขียนนะคะลาก1เส้นไม่ต้องระบายสีนะคะลาก1เส้นเพราะเราจะมีอีก 6 colors more รวมเป็น 7 นะคะโอเค we will start now teacher
Okay. Are you ready to do this activity?
yes
Okay, let's do it.
อ้าว
Okay, please don't forget to write your name, your class, and your number. Okay, so you have it here top. Okay, so are we ready? Yes, are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so first color. Take out your blue colored pencils and trace the letter S with your blue colored pencil. Take out your blue colored pencil and trace the letter S with your blue colored pencil. Very good. So the color is blue, okay? Blue colored pencil and trace it. Are we ready for the next color? Okay. Next, I want you to take out your yellow colored pencil and trace the letter S with your yellow colored pencil. It was blue and the second one is yellow.
very good
Next, take out your red colored pencil and trace the letter S with your red colored pencil. So this time it is red. So we have 3 colors already. What are the colors? First one is blue, second one is yellow, and the third one is red. Oh, their letter S look beautiful already, teacher.
เด็กๆมีตัว S สวยๆแบบนี้หรือยังคะโอเคนะคะ
Okay. Next color. Take out your purple colored pencil and trace the letter S with your purple colored pencil. So that color was purple. Okay, next, take out your green colored pencil and trace. It could be light green or dark green.
Okay it's okay
Any shades of green, okay? As long as it's green. Trace your letter S with your green colored pencil. Now when you're tracing, you can also make the sound like that if you want to. Okay, this time I want you to take out your orange colored pencil and trace your letter S with your orange colored pencil. One more color. And our rainbow tracing activity will be complete. One more color. Yes? Now, the last color. Take out your pink colored pencil and trace your letter S with your pink colored pencil. Trace your letter S with your pink colored pencil.
Oh, now we have many beautiful snakes.
Yes, and they were able to complete the rainbow tracing activity, teacher.
Yes, we learn letter S, and at the same time, we also learn colors.
Yes.
Good job. many snakes on the table.
Colored snakes.
Yes.
So if you are finished, please pass your paper to Teacher Louise and Teacher Nu. Thank you, Jerry. Now, keep your colored pencils. Keep it just on top of your table. Put it inside your pencil cases or the box. And I want you to listen to teacher, okay? Listen to teacher. Let's review the words that we have learned, okay? So look at the board. Look at the board. Look at here. S-H. Very good. S-H. C-H. Oh, very good. C-H. T-H. I-N-G. O-U. O-W. S-H. Let's read each word. Stand. Sun. 1, 2, 3, go.
Stand, sun, 6, 8, 7, 6, 7.
Okay, this time I want you to read just the word, okay? Stand, sun. Look at teacher's point, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Stand, sun, 6, 8, 7, 6, 7.
Okay, so these words, they all have the what sound? Oh, S sound. And what is the sound of letter S? And the action is S. Okay, let's do it. Let's make the sound 3 times with our action, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good job, okay? Very excellent job, okay? So, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Nu and Teacher Louise.
Okay, let's say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.